guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make banana and choco chip muffins. These muffins are moist, fluffy, extremely delicious. Another good thing about these muffins are that they are really simple to make with few ingredients that are easily available. You can have these muffins for breakfast or at any time of the day. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 1.5 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of dark choco chips. You can add more or less depending upon your taste. 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3 medium-sized bananas. Here I suggest you to use overripe ones, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a bowl, mix together the flour, baking soda and the salt. Add in the choco chips and mix it well. You can also add some walnuts if you wish. Peel the bananas and take them in a bowl. Here I am making only half of the recipe, so do not get confused why I am using only 1.5 banana. Mash them using a fork till it forms a thick paste. Add in the milk and the vanilla essence and mix it well. Crack in the egg and mix it. Then add the brown sugar and the white sugar and mix it well till it is combined. Add the flour mixture into the banana mixture in 2 batches and mix it. Line a muffin tin with muffin papers. If you don't have muffin papers, you can also grease it and dust it with flour. Fill 3/4 of the muffin paper with the batter. Garnish the top of the muffins with some choco chips. This is totally optional. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once the muffins are out of the oven, let them cool completely and then you're done with them. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.